Hi, welcome back to Evolving Mail. Today I'm going to install another phone mount system. Last time you seen the multi-mount that I got, wasn't happy with it. I'm going to try another one. I actually got two more. I've got this one, which is the Voswitch from Voswitch.com. I did get it on Amazon. It's for the JL or the JT phone mount pack. So this box has a few things in it. I did open it up already and look at it, and the stuff came in a few other boxes. Came in one bigger box, but I just put it in a smaller box just to make it kind of better. But you see, I got several pieces. It's got like a RAM mount, and Voswitch has some other pieces that I'll show you as we go. But the main piece is similar to the last one, whereas it's a cup that goes inside of this. You just pull this plastic piece out, and it has this piece that's going to go right in here. First you have to take off these screws. There's a couple screws up in the dash. They just come right out. They come right out, so it's not that bad. It's pretty easy installation. I mean, you know, we're not building rockets. We're just sort of like taking some bolts out and putting some bolts back in. It does have two balls here for mounting, and it has another one right here. So in this box, it has a third. There is a third mount that you can mount. Goes, let's see, let me get it out. So totally unprepared for this video, but that's the way I like it. I like to keep it real for you guys. I'm not getting paid for this, unfortunately. Amazon. So it got another little ball, and it goes right inside this piece right here. Fits right in. See, and it'll come out. It's got some bolts here that go in, but I'm just gonna kind of leave it there for now. Put this piece in. There you go. My little co-pilot here. My little here he is. That's Chuck. My little guy, Chucky. Just named him just now. First day with his new name. Anyway, so I'll put the screws back in. Maybe if I don't drop them. Now I did like that multi-mount one. If you haven't seen it, search for my video online on YouTube and you'll see it. I did like it as far as the little cubby aspect. This is not, there you go. I'm having a little trouble getting the screws in the hole. Last time I did it from the passenger side, which was probably smarter because it allowed me to get a little closer to the dash. I got the steering wheel kind of in my face. And it's hard to see. I don't know, this is supposed to be mounting in here, and I am a mechanic by trade, but doesn't look like it right now. There we go. I got it. And this one, just a pain to get at. Alright, so there's that. Like I said, I have this third ball that you can put in here. So you can do two phones and a camera, which is kind of what I was thinking. I do like it because it still gives me my little marsupial pouch, my little kangaroo spot here, where I can fit stuff in. I don't have to keep the ball in there. I can put stuff in there. I keep my flashlight in here, but I don't have to. So I can do that. So now now, excuse me for my awesome camera work. So now I've got the ram mount. I've already stuck that side in there, and you just loosen this ram ball up, or take it completely apart probably is what I'm going to have to do, and spread that over the ball. There were some reviews on Amazon that these things, they tend to, the balls tend to crack or break or whatever, so I don't know. Well, we may find that it's not really that great. I do have another one that I got from another set that I was going to do, and just taking that one apart, I feel like I like it more, but I like the way it feels, and we'll do another video on that one. It's bulletproof, and I do like it, but I don't know. I do like the idea of this one. I really like the idea of this mount, and you can loosen this up, and I'm not going to use my phone. I use Android Auto, right? So really all I want this thing is to give me a place to hold the phone, and probably put it in landscape mode so I can video like that. I do have a GoPro and stuff, but sometimes you just want to use your phone, right? So I don't know. We'll take a ride here in a little bit, and we'll see what it's like and see how she feels. I do feel like that's going to really bounce a lot. Feels quite bouncy, and it is tight, but this is plastic, where when I do the bulletproof review, you'll see that it's metal, and they have a plastic one, they have a metal one. It's like $10 more for the metal one. I opted for the metal one because I figured 10 bucks is nothing. Both sets are about the same amount of money. I spent about 79, 80 bucks each one. One of them will be going back probably, if not both, but I'll try it out tomorrow, and we'll see what she's like. We'll see how she wiggles going down the road as a camera, in a camera view, and we'll find out. Right here you can put a GoPro mount. I do have another, I did get another mount right here. I actually have two more mounts. So I have another ball mount, ball arm, right? So I can put this. I didn't get a phone mount, but I did get a GoPro mount. Was my original intention of putting a GoPro mount right here, but it hasn't come in yet. These actually wasn't supposed to come in because of the coronavirus stuff. It wasn't supposed to come in until like the 28th or something, 23rd, 28th. And this actually came the other night. I was really surprised. I didn't expect to get it. But anyway, we'll check it out here in a second and find out how I like it. And in just a minute, I'll let you guys know. So hold tight. So the reason why I don't think this, so I have my iPhone in here, and like if I just touching it, it's bouncing, and I'm going to show you why it's doing that. Now I haven't driven with it yet. We'll see. Maybe driving will be a different experience, but I seriously doubt it. So if you look, there's only 2 bolts holding this thing on. So if you look, you can see that. Well, and I'm pulling the whole arm down, but you can see right in here. It's, and I put pressure on the arm. Let me close in. You can see it lifting. See that? And that's not really ideal. The bulletproof mount that I'm going to try next, it has some screws and some tape holding it in, so I don't know. I don't dislike this thing though. This ram mount thing's pretty cool, but I don't think it's gonna. I don't know. We'll see. We'll check it out. So give me a second. We'll take it for a ride. Okay, so I got a test going here, and just kind of quickly looking at this footage as I film it, you can see that it's kind of bouncing around. I'm on a regular road. It's not normally a bouncy road. It just doesn't. I'm trying to run into that car because it won't turn already. But you can see it seems kind of bouncy, and this road's really not that bouncy. But it seems to be picking up all the vibrations, almost like we're driving down the road in a Harley, just vibrating like crazy. So I don't know. I'm not too thrilled about this particular holder just because of the vibrations. So I don't know. I'll give you my final thoughts on it in a second when this loud car is not behind me or in front of me. So, but anyway, not the best solution, I think. Okay, so I'm sitting still at a traffic light, and there is some vibration in it. It's a perfectly good choice if you are looking just to have a phone holder. But if you want to do any video like I am, I think you're going to see that it's it's a little vibration. I'll accelerate. And this is a lot of vibrations on me. If I hold the front down, there's still some vibrations. I don't know if it's just a function of the arm itself. Maybe I'm looking for too much, expecting too much, but there seems to be a lot of vibration. I'm holding that down, trying to hold it. I can hold that's my hand here. I can hold the arm. I think it's just the nature of the beast. I don't know. I'm not sure, but it's not what I'm looking for in a functional camera holder, I guess you could say. And if it's doing it on this one, I'm sure it's probably going to do the same thing on the GoPro. Now there is software that takes it out, takes the vibration out, so I'll run the stabilizer over it, both with and without, and show you the difference there, and we'll take a look at it here in a second. Okay, so final verdict is I'm not real happy with this one. I'm going to go ahead and install the next one. I mean, at first I kind of like this thing, but after a while it's big, it's bulky, it's not my thing, it's not for me. Might be for somebody else. You may enjoy all the extra attachments and stuff like that, but it just isn't what I want. So I'm going to take this one off, and I'm going to try the next one. So stay tuned for that one. And in the meantime, thanks for checking me out. Please hit like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for coming and checking out Evolving Male. See you guys later. And one final little note is I'm taking this apart, and if you can see the ball, right here, it's sort of like warped it. Can you see it? It's warped. Look at the other one. It's round. And this one warped it. So, I mean, what the heck? What's up with that? That's not a good sign. How long will that last? And that is some of the reviews I've seen on Amazon. Well, that it just ain't gonna last. Anyway, see you guys later. Thanks for checking me out. Bye.